Hi viewers, this is my Lenovo IdeaPad 320 and the brightness of this laptop is not increasing, you can see, but when I was using it I just pressed this brightness decreasing key two times and the screen got full black. But when I press down the increasing brightness button, uh, the brightness is not increasing. So you can see that the laptop is powered on, but the brightness increasing key is not working. So in order to fix this problem, is shut down your laptop. So I will press down the power key and hold it for 5 to 7 seconds, and you can see it has powered off. Now I will again power it on. Viewers, you can see that the black screen has now gone. You can see viewers, now the screen is not black. Viewers, hope so you liked my this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.